now I would like to tell you a bit more about the assignment of this second week. We are just starting our research. We're still in a phase of forming the teams, but it would be good if you are able to form the team by the end of this week and make a presentation on the topic of the week, which is about geometry, space, and climate. We are looking at buildings and how they respond to the specific climate challenges. So, for example, how would the geometry of a building allow this building to protect itself from strong winds like the ones we have during typhoons, or how would the geometry of a building protect from floods? You know, is the building elevated above ground? Is it on the ground? Is it partially embedded in the ground? Is it surrounded by some kind of artificial protection, some wall that protects it from the water? Are there any special ways of channeling the water, and so on? Or, for example, speaking about earthquakes, is there any shape that responds better to the earthquakes? Are earthquakes only solved by using specific structural systems, specific materials, or there is something about the geometry and the shape of a building that can help us mitigate this problem of earthquakes? Same thing with landslides, same thing with fires, and so on. So we are looking at the geometry and the space of the building, and the reason why we start with this project or a research is because we want to see how, first of all, look at the space of these buildings being vernacular or contemporary that have addressed these challenges. In the next weeks, we'll go into other topics like the structure, the enclosure of the building, or the building system, but we wouldn't want to make this course purely technical. We would like to think about the poetics of space and the quality of space and the beauty of a building. So in these first weeks, we are really looking at this question of space in architecture. And I invite you to work on this research during the next days and to submit your proposals on Friday, which is March 27th, and we'll discuss them all together on Saturday morning at 11 o'clock New York time during our virtual meeting.